Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
National Vice President ng National People's Party uba Prestun Tensong hakasngi balang kasipotrik nailar arjar arpuar ulong ke history kan swan phai biang nakabenta ka seng congress haka election siya yeng dorbar thaw ang jalla kaban salong house nem arjar arpulai apo kani gejalla haka jekra bigilat pathai kubor ba Prestun ulong uba Prestun ubulong teng ulong elam bo minchwa jong ka seng congress ka party ka bala rim tam apo gari ulong ba congress ka dan kam ban prinklan shushu yala ka nongrim uba Prestun la yororu yeki MLA ki balami na ka seng congress bar ki bala sha skor ya jing ai jing mu jung u daga bakinti no na ka jahaj ka balangam khanang man plat email di na ka jingam jlob lawan pikan ma hangni na ki khat nyungot ki MLA jong ka congress khat arngot ki la pinya so ba ka all india trinamool congress kat ba sangot ki weipat ki bala sha be seng shipor la lay ban pinya so ba ki wei ki party shwa ka election jong Snem arjar arpulai.
Congress right now is, again, they need to further strengthen the foundation. Back to square one. Way back in 1972, okay, way back 1972, they got only few seats at that point of time. So now the history repeats that they have to again go back and revisit the 1972. Mukul, that time when he was Chief Minister of Meghalaya from 2010 to 2018. 2010, then we went to election 2013. His prediction was correct. 2013, 2018, his prediction was totally failed. 2018 to 23, his prediction is zero. That's it. That's my reply. Anti-incumbency, I think that will not have any impact. Number one, we have been given by the people of the state not even 5 years now. Where is the question of anti-incumbency? Whereas Congress has already ruled the state for how many years? So therefore, right now, I don't see any anti-incumbency to the present government led by NPP. And you have also seen for 50 years now, nobody dares to take the issue. Where we did it, I think that itself people realize that NPP led government is the only government who, in spite of so many challenges, still taken up this issue, life and death issue of the state of Meghalaya. That we don't know, but of course the decision is very clear. Next, we'll go for the second phase. Immediately, second phase will start. Again, both the chiefs will sit down immediately after the Independence Day, and then again notification, reconstitution of those regional committee will take place. You leave it to the wisdom of the concerned political parties who are part of the government. So I cannot reply on their behalf. So NPP also, you just wait. We will also do something where people will know black and white. Yes, this is what NPP led government has done, and again going to be done if again elected to power.